Let's cook egusi soup. Kindly note that this egusi soup recipe can be used to eat rice, pounded yam, agidi, and any swallow of your choice. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Do well to like and subscribe. On your screen, you can see the full ingredients I intend using, to make this delicious pot of soup. Sincere apologies for presenting some of my ingredients in nylons. I was so tired, I just got back from the market and I just wanted to make this video for you, okay? The full list of ingredients used for this recipe will be listed in the description box. Kindly do well to check them out. Kindly make sure to use any protein that that works well with you. But for me, I'm using chicken and I season that with blended onions, my seasoning powder, and some salt. I allow that steam for a little while, knowing fully well this is soft chicken, before grilling them. I want to also kindly note that this egusi soup recipe is one that you should definitely try. Make this recipe for that party, for that birthday, for that dedication, for that special event, and you will come back to tell me thank you. In another pot, you can see I'm boiling my stockfish head and my pomo separately. Why? Because I want to use the stockfish head stock as the water base for the soup. Also, you can see my already blended egusi. What I have here is egusi blended with crayfish and UZIZA seed. This is 1 Derica of egusi and I used 1 small cup of UZIZA seed and also 1 full cup of crayfish. I'll be leaving the measurement in the description box. If you have not been adding UZIZA seed to your egusi soup, this is the time for you to start adding it. There you can see I added my blended onions and a little water to form a semi-solid consistency. Please do well to like this video and subscribe. Thank you. For my stew base, here you can see me frying my onions in my palm oil. Kindly note that I use quite a number of palm oil because I want the soup to last longer even if there is no light. There, after adding my onions and sauteing it for a while, I added my roughly blended peppers. This is a mixture of bell peppers, cayenne peppers, and scotch bonnet peppers. Kindly note I did not use fresh tomatoes. After that, I added some shrimp powder, also known as crayfish powder, just to heighten the taste, and also some salt, before adding my washed locust beans. You can use ogiri okpei, you can use dawa dawa, but for egusi, especially the one I cook for parties, I always use locust beans. Now you can see me adding the egusi pastes. Add them in little chunks if you want the egusi to have bigger crumbs. But for me, I don't want this egusi to have big crumbs. That's why I'm adding them, in big pastes. Allow this fry in low heat. Why? Because egusi burns easily. And then you can see my egusi has fried properly, and I'm adding the pomo and the stockfish. Don't forget this stock I told you about. This was the stock I got from boiling the stockfish, the pomo and the seasoning. Okay, this stock heightens the taste and the flavor of your egusi compared to when you use ordinary water. I added the meat stock, that is the chicken stock, and also my dry fish and my already grilled chicken. I allowed this boil for a while before adding my bitter leaf. You're free to use any vegetable of your choice, but if you want that authentic party flavor, then use washed bitter leaf for your egusi soup. My beautiful people, I know you have brought your swallow, your pounded yam, your fufu, and you're waiting for me to serve you this delicious meal. Thank you so much for watching, my beautiful people. I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed.